But now, in out of the sun, comes the Hispano Buchon, our representative, of the Messerschmitt BF109. Formation gets together in front of us. What do we mean by the Duxford? Well, it was an approach adopted by number 12 group, of which Duxford was a part, and advocated by Squadron Douglas Bard, the boss of number 242 Squadron, and the air officer flying number 12 group. It's felt that there'd be strengthening numbers, I think several squadrons flying together from Duxford with Spitfires and Hurricanes. This was the start of the last phase of the Battle of Britain, the phase in which the Luftwaffe turned its attentions away from the RAF's airfields and air defence installations and onto London. The big wing concept was first used on the 7th of September 1940 and was 242 Canadian and 310 Czech squadrons on Hurricanes, number 19 Squadron on Spitfires. That was the day German tactics moved away from the attacks on the defences and onto London. The big wing was directed by number 11 group to patrol North Weald. It arrived late, having claimed 11 aircraft destroyed elsewhere. The debate on its effectiveness or otherwise still rages. But what is not in doubt is the valour displayed by the pilots, including 574 from countries outside the UK, and 3,000 or so officially recognised for their involvement in the Battle of Britain, which became known as the Few. And all of them had tribute paid to them by Prime Minister Winston Churchill in the House of Commons on the 20th of August 1940.
In our empire, and indeed throughout the world, except in the abodes of the guilty, goes out to the British Army, who, undaunted by odds, unwearied of their constant challenge and mortal they triumph, are turning the tide of the world war by their prowess and by their devotion. Never in the field of human conflict was so much hope.